Way to go. Stream Connection, Distinctive Dancer. Moving up is entry number 2, Royal Jeddah alongside Bukuju Santiago. Waterstar Racing on the outside, passing the half-mile falls Royal Jeddah, Distinctive Dancer. Extreme Connection, Racing third, Racing in fourth, Bukuju's Waterstar down on the inside, fifth. And rounding the far turn, Royal Jeddah by Anek. On the outside, Distinctive Dancer. Extreme Connection, Buku Juice alongside his Water Star as they race the final corner. Royal Jeddah, Distinctive Dancer, Extreme Connection, Buku Juice on the outside, Water Star opted to run down on the inside. It's now the outstanding favorite, Buku Juice by about 3 lengths, followed now by Warstar by the rail. And finally, number 5, Buku Juice. Warstar, Close, Santiago, Stream Connection for third and fourth. Then comes Distinguished Dancer, Royal Jeddah to complete.
Mukhang